Time to do the YouTuber chucking food in the basket scene. So good evening then, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we are going to be cooking, after I've had my coffee, salad, chili salmon with chili charge and mayo, and my weapon of choice is going to be the ridge monkey. Okay, so that is a perfect fit, and now it's time to introduce some cheesy music. See how it's getting on. Ow. Look at that. I think it's done. That is lush. And there you have it. Chili charger salad with chilled salmon in a camper van. Look at that. I don't think Gordon Ramsay could have done any better. But here's an idea, Gordon. Why don't you create a show, I get royalties, and call it Cooking in the Camper?